Hi, I'm Marilee, and I'm going to show you today how to eat sunflower seeds. Now, one might think that that shouldn't be too difficult a task, but professional seed eaters say that there's a proper way of doing this, and I'm going to try and show you how. First of all, you want to take 1 or 2 seeds, if you're a beginner, to start. It's going to require a bit of a dexterous tongue. Place the 1 or 2 seeds in your mouth, put one of them to the side, and use your tongue to move the other one between your upper and lower molars. Position it in such a way so that when you press down with your teeth, you're able to crack the shell open like a clam. Then you use your tongue to move and separate the seed from the shell, eat the seed, spit out the shell, and reload. So let's see if I can do this well. There's the seed. There's the shell. Now, for those of you who keep practicing, you're going to be able to put more and more seeds in your mouth, so the reloads will be a lot fewer. And if you become really proficient, you can do this while doing any other activity. And that's the proper way to eat a sunflower seed.